warm welcome. More tennis drama lighting up the second Sunday at Wimbledon. It's a blaze of colour and excitement. The stars align for the British #1 and home hero, Alfie Hewitt. He wins his first Wimbledon wheelchair singles title and with it completes a historic career singles Grand Slam.
Centre court on the second Sunday of the championships. Once again, it'll be Karlosa Alkarasa of Spain, the defending champion, this time against Novak Đoković, a record breaker in all ways. First blood, Alkaras. That's heavy. It's 2 sets to love, defending champion. The young king of centre court retains the crown, a master craftsman at 21 years of age.
I said it before, that for me this is the most beautiful tournament, the most beautiful court, and obviously the most beautiful trophy.
Zielinski and Shea are the dominant force in mixed doubles right now. Their first Wimbledon title as a pair.
See the tournament #1 seeds, Alfie Hewitt and Gordon Reid, retain their Wimbledon doubles title.
Kamiji and Monjane are the Wimbledon champions.
The tournament #2 seed has made it back-to-back Wimbledon titles in the men's quad singles wheelchair division.